Hi everyone, 1 minus 7 is -6, and keep the parentheses. 1 minus 7 is -6. -6 times -6 is 12. So the answer is 12. Wrong. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying what's inside the parentheses goes first. So I did do that right. 1 minus 7 is -6. And keep the parentheses. Always keep the parentheses. Next, drop 1 minus 7. And you tell me, do I subtract first or multiply first? If you pick multiplication, you are correct. What is 7 times -6? Remember, notice that there's a negative sign there. So it's a negative. So 7 times 6 or 6 times 7 is 42. Next, drop the 1, but don't forget to write put the -42 inside parentheses. Now drop 1 minus. Now we're looking at this. I like to write out a table called keep, change, change. So this is a +1. So +1. And what I'm trying to do is anytime I see a number like this, 1, and a smaller number like this, -42, so it's smaller than 1. I like to turn this, and you're subtracting these two numbers, I like to turn this subtraction to addition. So that's the change. And then you change the sign to this second number. So it's -42 becoming +42. And all you have to do is just add. That's the rule. Anytime you're adding two numbers with the same sign, you add them both and keep the same sign. So 42 plus 1 equals 43. And there you go. That's the answer.